In this video, you'll learn how to create the perfect listing on eBay. This guide will walk you through essential steps to optimize your product listing for better visibility and increased sales. Start by crafting a keyword-rich title. Think about the relevant terms that potential buyers are likely to search for. Incorporate important details such as the brand, size, model, and condition of the item. This approach maximizes your listing's visibility in search results, making it easier for interested buyers to find your product. Next, focus on adding high-quality photos to your listing. Upload clear images that showcase the item from multiple angles. Ensure that the lighting is adequate to highlight the product effectively. Additionally, be honest about any flaws or imperfections in the item. This transparency helps build trust with potential buyers and can lead to a higher likelihood of completing a sale. After adding your images, it is time to write detailed descriptions of your product, include accurate measurements, specifications, and a thorough description of the item's condition. Providing clear and comprehensive information reduces the chances of returns and enhances the overall conversion rates for your listing. Buyers appreciate knowing exactly what they are purchasing. Consider the importance of formatting your description for readability. Use bullet points or short paragraphs to make the information easily digestible. This clarity not only helps potential buyers, but also encourages them to make a... Finally, review your listing before publishing it. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors, as these can detract from your credibility as a seller. Additionally, ensure that your title, photos, and descriptions are all aligned and accurately reflect the item being sold. Once you feel confident in your listing, you can go ahead and publish it on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.